Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm with Thermoweb, and I'm here today to show you our new Clear Designer toner sheets. So right now I have the pattern. It's called Groovy. One side is a rough side, and you can feel the design where the other side is silky smooth. So what we're gonna do is in our parchment paper, I have my cardstock to stabilize it. We're gonna put our Clear Designer toner sheet down and our pretty foil right on top. We're gonna close that, and we're gonna run it right through our laminator, folded side, cut in. And running through this Royal Sovereign laminator, you wanna make sure it's on hot. And I usually run my laminator for about, 30 minutes just to make sure that there's consistent, even heat. Pressure and heat are key when foiling. So now as we see, it's coming out. And now we're going to do the really fun part, which is the peel and reveal. So I'm going to take, and then I'm going to peel off the foil. So now our black design has now turned into this really cool iridescent shine. So now we have these leftovers, and you can use that on our Deco Foil toner sheets, which are in peel and stick and non-peel and stick. In order to use your amazing design, you can make a wonderful card right here. And this is our Clear Designer toner sheets by Deco Foil.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos here on YouTube so you'll be the first to see all our videos from Creativation. And follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight off the show floor.